Consider the installation of the OpenFOAM package on an OS with a Linux kernel. Pre-compiled OpenFOAM packages can be installed on any Linux distribution. To do this, you need to go to the official link to openfoam.com website, select your Linux distribution, and copy the set of commands presented into your operating system's terminal. You must execute the commands by pressing the Enter key. Next, enter your system's superuser password and press Enter again. Please note that the version of the OpenFOAM package is explicitly specified in the command. During the installation, you will be required to confirm your intention to download and install the packages. After the installation is complete, you need to restart your operating system's terminal. To launch OpenFOAM, you must enter the command in the terminal, the name of the installed version of the OpenFOAM package. Here, this is version 24.06. After this, the OpenFOAM environment of the installed version will be activated in the terminal.